So we're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater out in the garage. Starting at the top, we've got brand new vent pipes. So we've got an adjustable 90 at the top, adjustable 90 at the bottom, a short piece of single wall pipe in the middle. 3 screws around the perimeter of each joint, including the draft diverter. Draft diverter comes with the unit, so that's all installed. Up here, we cut all the old copper out and the old gate valve, soldered on 2 male adapters there to get you a brand new brass valve on the cold side. That's required by code, and it's not required on the hot side. And then a short little brass nipple. So solid copper and brass, and then stainless steel. These are Falcon stainless steel connectors. They're the largest in the industry, also the most expensive in the industry, but that's what we use, that's what we like. These little 3/4 by 15-inch supply lines, cold, down to a brass extension. On the top of each side, the hot and the cold water line, there's a little heat trap insert, a little plastic insert. Sometimes it's a little fussy with the gasket on these supply lines, so we give you a solid brass extension, file it down real good so you get a nice seating surface right there. So that's hot and cold. Relief lines tied back in, solid copper coming out of the wall, so we just extended it out with a coupling, a little 45 and a 90 right here, to a dielectric union. Dielectric's not really required because this is not a pressure line, it is a relief line, so it's a drain line, but we do it anyways, just similar metals, and so that's good. This is your relief valve, comes with the water heater safety feature, so temperature and or pressure reaches a certain point, and this will pop off and drain into the backyard right here. The upper third, we've got the adjustable straps. Lower third, we've got the adjustable straps, and then down at the bottom we gave you a brand new shutoff valve for your gas and a brand new connector for your gas. So everything in here is brand new. Outside of the wall, the tank, the straps, you know, every point of connection. You know, we don't touch any of this back here because someone's come in and done some piping over to the dryer, so that gas line. But our point of connection is here, and it's all new. So the burner is lit. Should be a couple hours before you have hot water. Right here you can see on the label, scalding risk increases with hotter water. We recommend right here at hot. You can certainly turn it down to the next notch down. This is approximately 118, which is totally fine for all homes. If you wanted 140 for washing dishes, you know, that's up here, but third degree burns in 3 seconds. If it's an infant, 1 second, you're going to the hospital, so just be mindful of that. If you're having issues in the home at a shower, not getting hot, don't come out here and turn this up. Probably got a cartridge that's failed in the shower, or even a sink with a single handle faucet. Those cartridges can fail, and then you're having a hard time getting hot and cold to flow correctly. But don't turn this up. It's a brand new, it's functioning correctly, so I would recommend leaving it right there. We document it because we're liable. You know, if we turn it up for you, then it's on us. So I'd just leave it right there. It's plenty hot for everyone. Anyways, there's your serial number, model number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and get this registered, and give them your serial number, model number, full name, street address, all that, all your contact information. Look at your warranty going on this. It's 1 year labor, 6 years parts. They also have the opportunity to change the warranty for an extra charge up to 10 years, and I'll leave that up to you. Outside of that, this installation is done.